Yeah.
That thing's got a 30 power zoom, Billy.
Good. So in other words, stand on the sidewalk since you're not suited up.
Do you want me to shake, or would you rather shake? Okay. What now?
Well, now
You want to brush them in?
Brush as many of them in there as you can get in.
Okay.
And then we'll put the lid on and just leave it set for a little bit. If the queen's in there, the rest of them will go in.
Do you want to brush off the tree too?
Yeah, there's still some hanging there. I don't know how good of a grip she has.
This is what it was like when I was painting. I was like, holy
So they must have just started.
They had just started.
Yeah.
And it was crazy.
Just tell me to do something.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I don't know if the queen's still in there or not. Said she was marked with what?
She's got pink fingernail polish on her back.
Would there be any advantage of clipping that branch off and putting it in the box and taking it? Or don't you think the queen would be in there?
Hard telling, not knowing. I don't know. What do you think? Hard to tell where she could be.
We could just lay that whole branch in there.
If you want a box, I can go grab a box.
Right. Then you'd be pretty sure that pretty confident I would feel that she's in there.
That box in the basement, Billy.
Yeah, they want a clippers, Kendall.
Can we get a clipper?
They want to clip that little part of the branch off. You got to come get the clippers, though.
You want that box? You're just gonna lay it. I can get a box for the.
I think he was just gonna. I think there's room in here.
I think if we just step back and just let them settle down again.
If she's in there.